In this video, we're going to look at how we post our target to the investment hub. You would do this when you were seeking private investment for your property project, and it's a fairly easy task to do in Deal Sherpa. All we have to do is click on the Post to Investment Hub link in the menu bar. That brings up our new deal creation page, and let's just populate the deal details section and have a look at some of the fields. First up, we have the deal type field, and there are three values in here: finder's fee, joint venture, and money partner. So finder's fee is if you want to sell your deal completely, joint venture if you want to go 50-50 in it with someone else, and money partner if you're just looking for financial investment. Next up, we have the status field. Your deal's not visible to any other user until the status is active. After that, we have the posted by field. If there's more than one owner on a target, then you can see which owner is going to be handling inquiries from this deal. Over on the right, we have show name. If you select that to yes, then your name will be visible to anyone who looks at the deal in the investment hub. Next one down is the address display field. Again, there's three options in this field, and they let you decide what level of the address that investors will get to see. So they can either see the full address, just the state and suburb, or the state only. The rest of the fields in the details section are fairly self-explanatory. So let's move down to the investment details section and have a look at some of the fields here. First of all, you'll note that at the bottom of the page, we have the recent feasibilities for this target, and that will help you populate some of those investment details on the left-hand side of the page. Let's go ahead and populate the fields and then have a look at some of the more important ones. First up is the investment requested field, probably the most important field on this page because it lets investors know the amount of finance you're actually seeking. Next field we'll look at is mortgage to the bank. Some investors don't like being behind a bank when they're investing in a project, so if you don't have a mortgage, you can let investors know. Similar with multiple investors, there's a number of investors that like to be the sole financer of a project. So you can let them know that you're only going to accept one, or if you're accepting multiple, how many you currently have. Then we have the profit sharing deal field. If you're looking to just share the profit with someone in this deal, then you can let them know that. Or alternatively, you can let them know that you're only looking for an interest only deal. And you can also set both to yes to capture both options. And we'll take the last two fields together. So the annual interest rate and the interest paid will allow investors to weigh up the risk versus the reward of investing in this project. Once we've entered all the details, we just click on save and the deal's saved, and we can have a look at it on the investment hub. Also, any user who has a saved search in their profile for the investment hub that matches your deal will receive the email as we can see on screen now. And that completes the demo for posting a target to the investment hub. Thank you.